To make a cup of coffee, it's a long way to go. There's a lot of different steps, and it's very important that nobody makes a mistake in this long chain. Each coffee is different. Happy Goat is a small coffee roaster in Ottawa with 14 coffee shops, and our goal is to supply our customers with the best coffee we can get and roast. The reality about coffee is we have only about 3 to 4% of the whole cherry actually in a cup of coffee. So you can imagine it's 96, 97% waste.
At the MBA, during our management consulting course, we were given a list of problems that local businesses face.
And then I saw the Happy Goat that they had the problem with these ground coffee. Just something related to my background. All my team members, they always like, this is what you can pick. And then I was like, yeah, why not?
The main priority for us is to apply what we've learned to solve a real-time problem. So as a team, we did our research, and fortunately for us, with Happy Goat, we were able to use these tools to provide them with a solution that they believed it is the best solution out there for them to use this coffee spent ground.
The idea proposed by the Telfer team was to collect the spent coffee grounds in our coffee shops and bring it to the biogas plant to produce energy that is going in the grid.
In terms of how we produce bioenergy from waste, it's called the anaerobic digestion process. So actually with using the waste and producing biogas, and then this gas is very close to what we use as the natural gas. So we can replace the fossil fuels and fossil waste, helping the environmental issues.
MBA students are the best because they come up with interesting ideas from their own experience. And so they're always challenging me. I'm able to bring my own experience and able to then deal with how they can actually solve a business problem in an innovative way.
It wasn't just a program where we learned and refreshed concepts that we were aware of before. It was more of developing new skills and new concepts and then having the ability to apply them at work.
Experiential learning allows the students to take what they've learned in the classroom, meet their clients in person, see what their operation is like, and apply all those lessons to a particular business problem or opportunity.
I was working full-time and studying full-time, but I didn't notice that at all. So it was a very supportive program and very productive.
The MBA has allowed me to definitely sell my career. Think outside of the box. This is where it was the main point where we've learned all the tools and all the concepts, and it was time for us to tackle it, and that's why we collaborated with Happy Goat.